So we're here with the new club assistant manager Tony Pennock after our 2-0 win at Llandudno. Tony, congratulations. This job is easy, isn't it?
Yeah, I wish it was, but no, the lads are outstanding today. Wayne has spoke highly of them for the last week, and they showed me today what Wayne's told me all week. It's just 2 games to go now, and they know what they've got to do.
Great. Did you feel like, from your perspective, that they did what you asked them to at the start of the game?
Yeah, that and more, to be fair. They're a good bunch of boys, and even in the warm-up I could see the quality that they've got, and in difficult conditions. The win first half was very strong and blustery, but they dealt with that well, and to be 1-0 up against the win first half was great. But they dug in second half against a good Llandudno team, and then come stronger at the end and got the second goal.
Yeah, and you obviously, I guess you feel we deserved the win. It looked like we did from the side.
Yeah, I personally do. Everybody's got their own opinion, but I can't really remember Moles making any top saves. What he had to do, he did very well. His distribution was excellent, and he came for crosses when he needed to. But in terms of clear-cut chances, they didn't have many.
Great. And are there any individuals you want to pick out? I mean, obviously they're celebrating as a team in there, which is great to see.
No, I thought as a group, and the 3 subs as well. People want to play, understand that. We can only pick 11 on the lads that come on, and Sean even at the end. They dug in and did the jobs that they were asked to do, and it was a full team effort. So it was very pleasing.
Fantastic, and of course that sets us up for another big game on Friday now against Rill.
Yeah, even without today's result, Friday is always going to be a massive game. We've done ourselves justice by getting 3 points today. So we're going to the game against Rill now. Rill know that they need to get some out of the game. So we'll work hard this week and be prepared for Friday night.
And I guess you'll be hoping for a special Friday night Park Avenue atmosphere. Have you experienced that before?
As a player, yeah. As a player a few times, and it was always a lively place to play on a Friday night. Hopefully the people will come in and support the boys, and then we can look forward to next season then.
Great. Thank you, Tony. Congratulations. Brilliant result today. Many thanks from us all.
Cheers.
Cheers.